In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a contact inside of Odoo. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up CRM on odoo.com. Then from here, you need to go up to sales and down to customers. Then from here, it should look something like this. Then from here, you'll see the overview of all your different already existing customers. And to create a new one, you simply need to click new. Then from here, you have the option to either click a person or create a company as your contact. Then from here, you can click in the first and last name of this person. Then you can add their email, their phone number, and their company name. You can also up here add a photo if you want to do that. But down here, you can also add a company address with street, city, state, zip code, and country. Then from here, you can also go up to job description or position. And you can see here that you can make him any job description that will fit him or her. You can add in a tax ID, you can add in the website, or you can add in tags and create a new tag down here. Then from here, you can click contact, you can add in the sale and purchases, and you can add in some notes if you want to do that. But then you just simply need to click add contact. And then from here, you simply need to go out here to customers again, and you'll see Test Testerson right here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!